kore, kore means this. Means the thing is near the speaker. Like this is coffee, kore wa kohi desu. Sore, sore means that. Means the thing is near the listener. Like who is listening the speaker. For example, それは本ですね. That is book, isn't that? あれ means that. The thing is over there. Means あれは傘です. That is umbrella. この、その、あの。この、その、あの。この means this, その means that, あの means that, over there. These are used with nouns. Like for example, この本は日本のですか? Is this book from Japan? 本 book. 辞書 dictionary. 辞書雑誌 magazine. 雑誌新聞 newspaper. 新聞ノート notebook. 手帳 personal organizer. 名刺 business card. カード credit card. 鉛筆 pencil. ボールペン ballpoint pen. シャープペンシール mechanical pencil. 鍵 key. 時計 watch. 傘 umbrella. カバン bag. カバン CD compact disc. テレビ television. ラジオ radio. カメラ camera. コンピュータ computer. 車 car. 車机 desk. 椅子 chair. 椅子チョコレート chocolate. コーヒー coffee. お土産 souvenir present. It's that present when you bring something from that particular place. It's called omiyage. Like from America, from London, just like that places. Eigo English language. Eigo Nihongo Japanese language. Nihongo. Go language. Go is for language. Nan what? Nan. So. Ano is used to show hesitation. We use a when we hear something unexpected, like something shocking. Dozo. We use dozo when we offer something to someone. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. そうですか. I see. 違います. No, it isn't, or you're wrong. これからお世話になります. It's like thank you in advance for your kindness.